Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Monday, August the 12th. Well, I've been away from the Mortgage Minute for a few days. I actually took a few days off and enjoyed the sunshine. It was nice and warm. Another thing that seems to be hot and warm these days is the real estate market. What's going on? Everybody was talking about how the market was dismal, how it was down. However, the market, the housing market in general, the sector is showing strength this summer so far. And economists are wondering what's that going to do, or what impact will that have on what Mr. Flaherty decides to do, because the housing prices and consumer debt is what he was primarily concerned about. July data from some of the local real estate boards appears to back the assumption that the market definitely is moving. Vancouver, for instance, saw a whopping 40.4% increase year over year in sales over the multiple listing service. That's right. 40.4% increase on the July year-over-year numbers. Toronto posted a 16% gain. Calgary was up 17%. Of course, not all markets are up. Ottawa and Montreal each saw sales fall about 2%. However, these other ones are certainly doing amazing. In Vancouver in particular, sales have recovered to their highest level since 2010. So it would appear that what was put up in the way of roadblocks in the Vancouver market especially seems to be, well, it seems like a big 18-wheeler trucking and plowing right through these roadblocks. It is possible that the market, however, it could be temporary, that the strength could be temporary. A lot of the real estate associations, and I'll tell you from my own experience, with the rates ticking upward over the last month or two, we have seen a lot of activity. So these could have artificially taken people out of the market that maybe were thinking for later, and they've jumped off the fence and are basically jumping into the market now. So that could certainly be the case, because a lot of folks who had pre-approvals jumped in the last little while. And we have seen the interest rates rise recently, which, like I said, has stemmed some of this activity. So what will be telltale for us going forward will be August, September, October, and see what those numbers do. The market that isn't rebounding yet is the basically the newly constructed homes. Sales of new condos, for example, in Toronto were down 18% from a year ago in the second quarter. And the amount of residential land that developers are buying to build condos and houses fell 51% in Toronto, 30% in Vancouver, and 52% in Calgary during the first half of the year. So what that's telling you is not a lot of the developers are buying this land to build future stuff, so they're trying to move the current stock they have. So where are we headed? Well, you know what, there could be talk about another bubble again. It could be talk about many different things. What Mr. Flaherty decides to do really will be the telltale. But what we're seeing here is that the demise, or the coffin in the nail that people expected for the housing market to have happened or occurred by now has not done so. Back in 2008, when we had that subprime meltdown, as you know, we had a short-lived, I'd say 6-7 month where the market suffered. Again, this was a drawn-out. 2012 was a bit weak in sales, early 2013. But it looks like the market has picked up steam, and sales and activities are happening, certainly in our region. Is that saying that all prices are up? No. Does that mean all markets are strong? No. It would appear that the main major centers are enjoying certainly growth and strength right now, where the outerlying areas are definitely hurting still. So, tale of two cities, a tale of two types of economies, two types of markets, the urban and the suburban, and we'll just kind of see how it basically all pans out. Anyway, it's Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. We're back. No matter what you need for mortgage assistance, whether it be a fixed, a variable, you're looking for a 5-year, a 10-year. Now, 10-year terms are really amazing right now. There's some fabulous rates. We got one lender who's got a 3.89 for 10-year money, which is absolutely incredible. But anything you need, do let us know. We're here at the Auxilium team. We're always ready, willing, and able to help. I hope you enjoy the sunshine, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.